Welcome to the Procurist podcast. I'm Max Henry, and today we're diving into something really exciting: the transformation of procurement through AI in 2025. Joining me is Diana Gavin, a procurement technology specialist. Diana, great to have you here.
Thanks for having me, Max. It's fascinating how AI is completely revolutionizing the procurement landscape. We're seeing some really remarkable developments that are changing the way companies operate.
Let's start with the big picture. What's really catching my eye is this potential for what? Double the value compared to companies not using AI? That's pretty significant, isn't it?
Absolutely. And here's what's really interesting. We're looking at about 70% reduction in buyers' capacity needs. That means teams can finally focus on what really matters: strategic tasks rather than getting bogged down in routine operations.
I've heard a lot about process automation, but could you break down exactly what parts of procurement AI is streamlining?
Well, let me paint the picture. We're seeing AI automate up to 75% of procurement tasks. Think about spending analytics, category strategy, contract management. Even the entire purchase requisition to purchase order process is being transformed.
That's fascinating. But doesn't this raise concerns about, job security in the procurement sector?
It's actually creating a really interesting shift. While we're seeing a reduction to about 70% of current headcount, the roles are evolving. We need more strategic buyers, AI engineers, data scientists. It's not about elimination, it's about transformation.
Let's talk about the buyer-seller dynamic. How is AI changing that relationship?
Oh, this is exciting. We're moving towards what we call smart buying and smart selling. Imagine real-time analytics during supplier calls, personalized communications based on historical data, and get this, Gen AI agents creating and analyzing tenders automatically.
The savings potential seems significant. Could you share some numbers with our listeners?
The numbers are pretty impressive. In areas like IT development, we're looking at 23 to 45% savings potential. Marketing creation shows 22 to 42% potential savings. Even administrative services are showing 16 to 31% potential savings over the next 3 years.
Those are substantial figures. What about specific use cases? Any concrete examples you can share?
Let me share something really practical. We're seeing about 50% faster drafting of tenders, saving up to 10 hours per tender. Offer comparison is 50% faster, and internal search efficiency has improved by 50 to 75%. These are real, measurable improvements.
For companies looking to implement AI in their procurement processes, what's the best approach?
Well, it really depends on their current AI maturity. For those just starting out, I'd recommend focusing on quick wins, using ready-to-use tools for cost-out projects. More mature organizations might want to implement and scale building customized AI tools integrated into their workflow.
Any final thoughts on the future of AI in procurement?
We're really at an exciting inflection point. The key is to start somewhere, whether it's with single use cases or a comprehensive strategy. But one thing's clear: AI isn't just changing procurement, it's revolutionizing it. Companies that adapt now will have a significant competitive advantage.
Thank you, Diana, for these incredible insights. To our listeners, thanks for joining us on Tech Horizons. Until next time, keep innovating